Hello, my name is Wes Below, and today I'm going to be going over the completion page UI and the changes we made to it. So, have this task with my name on it here. I click on complete task, and it shows me all this information. So we have the task name up here, we have the information organized as so uh, shows you the description, and then it also shows you a detailed commit history. And so let's say you want to figure out, all right, at what point was the weight of the task changed? You can just type in weight, and it will show you all the changes to task weight and task weight type. And you can press complete to complete the task or press cancel to not do that. So I'm going to complete my task, and it will show up along with our little icon there, task completed successfully. All right, I will now hand it off to Will to discuss some of the complete commit history stuff.
Hi, I'm Will, and I'll be showing you some of the commit history information. So I'm on the completed task list, and you're able to double click on an item. It'll bring up the same page that Wes was showing before, uh, as well as all this information. As you can see, there's no complete button here since the task is already completed. Now, let's say I wanted to get some more information on the description that was changed. I can double click on the information, and it'll show the full task description changed from meow to this is the task description. After that, I'm going to move on to the main page and show you what changed there as well. Continuing from my previous iteration, as you can see from the main page, you go to complete task. It'll show you that same information that I showed before, as well as the in-depth descriptions of what changed. And that's pretty much what we have for the commit history. And now I will hand it over to Kobe to talk about his changes.
Hi, I'm Kobe. I'll be showing you how you can only open one instance at a time. So if I go to edit task here, oh, never mind. Let me select a task first. Let's go to Ethan's task, edit a task. As you can see, it went grayed out, so I can't open another edit task. So let's close that real quick. And then if we wanted to add a task, I can't add another task. There's only one instance. And so let me just close that. This is also our new icon here. You know, it looks great, perfect actually. And yeah, that is my part. I'll be handing it off to Ethan to talk about the analytics page.
Hello, my name is Ethan, and today I'll be talking about the analytics page. So from the main page, you click on these three little dots up here to go over to the analytics page. Once open, you can see that we have a lot of general information, the total task time, and then below here is the analysis of each individual part. So I'll click on Fibonacci, select, let's say, a value of 5, and you can see that for all Fibonacci tasks with a weight of 5, you can see their max time, total time spent, min time, and the average time spent. Also, if we head back to the main page, we have this task named Ethan. If we go ahead and complete it, we can head back to the analytics page. We can see that the total task time has been updated. And if we click on that Fibonacci 5 again, we can see that this also updates. Now I'll be handing it over to Jacob to talk more about this page.
Hi, I'm Jacob, and I'll be talking about the simple data analysis that you can do on this page with the graphs. It's like you have the box plot, Fibonacci, or time versus Fibonacci, just to see like what task weights have been taking up most of your time, or the pie chart to see another way of looking at seeing what tasks you spend the most time on. And that's about it. And I'll be giving it to Jonathan for the archive page.
I'm Jonathan. I'm going to be showing the archive page. So if we start out on completed task here and delete task 14, not delete all, just delete, you can see that task 14 has moved to the archive page. And then you can also restore it, which sends it back to the completed task list. Along with that, you can delete all the tasks in here, which fully remove them from the program. And along with that, you can also export your full list, which you can see it either goes to this directory or creates the analysis directory for you. And the only thing that has changed for this is the naming format. It'll be archive task underscore the start date of the earliest task in your archive through the latest end date in your list. And that is just about it for the archive page. And this is Team 1's Iteration 4 showcase.